The self-styled caliphate spreading across Syria and Iraq is redrawing the boundaries in the Middle East.
Iraq's second largest city, Mosul, fell yesterday.
News from Mosul has largely been dictated by the so-called Islamic State or Daesh in Arabic.
In 2014, the world watched in shock as ISIS swept across northern Iraq.
The bombs keep falling on western Mosul.
Within days, Mosul had fallen into their hands. Here, in the heart of the old city, they made a declaration that changed history. From the pulpit of the Al-Nuri Mosque, al-Baghdadi announced the creation of the so-called Islamic Caliphate. It was the first and only time he ever appeared publicly. For the next 3 years, Mosul became the symbolic capital of ISIS. Life inside the city turned into a nightmare.
Each house there was a sniper. If you go out the house, move just like for a few meters, he shoots you. So people were trapped inside the houses. They allowed to him just to go to the river to bring some water and die. And they used to eat from the ground.
He just eats like old food and even bushes, or what would he eat?
Bushes, yeah, eat from the ground. It's like, Stalingrad.
Yeah.
So the similar battle happened here.
I want to get one thing out of the way. This is not Mosul. This is.
Hello!
People have returned to their lives. The streets are full, markets are open, and the music is playing again. Today restoration is everywhere. The Al-Nuri Mosque, once reduced to rubble, is being rebuilt stone by stone. And this time, it's not just bricks. People are rebuilding identity, dignity, and memory, reclaiming what ISIS tried to erase. Along the way I stumbled into a gathering of college students. Music was playing, girls were laughing, and life happened around me. For years the name Mosul was synonymous with destruction, war, and extremism. It became a symbol of what was lost. But cities are not static, and they are never defined solely by the darkest chapters. I didn't come here to film tragedy. I came to see what had survived and what is beginning to grow again.
And finally, the city is liberated now, and the situation is safe, and the tourism back to how it was.
There's still a long way to go, and reconstruction will take time, healing even longer. But if you walk through the markets or shake hands with strangers, offering nothing but hospitality, you begin to understand something essential. Mosul is not just recovering, it's quietly proving that even after great darkness, life returns with grace.